As in my previous online classes, I have started chapter number 4, Introduction to Negative Integers, and I hope that you have understood, okay, that what is integer, okay, how to do the addition of integer or number line, okay, and what you say, I have taught you the addition of integers without number line, I have taught you the rules, okay. So I hope that you have understood that. So in my previous class, okay, I have taught you exercise 4.2, question number 1, that was addition of the integers. And I have said you that question number 2 I will teach you in my next class. As this was very new to you, so I don't want to make confused with addition and subtraction. Okay, that is why I have taught first addition, and today I am going to teach you subtraction. How to subtract the integers. The way, okay, to subtract the integers. Okay, so let's start subtraction of integers. We are going to learn the subtraction of integers. Subtraction is the addition of the additive inverse of an integer. So what is subtraction? Subtraction is the addition. Okay, and now what? It is the addition of additive inverse of an integer. Now what is this additive inverse? Additive inverse means the opposite of the integer. Whatever the integer will be given, we will write the opposite of it. Okay, and what we will do? We will apply the rules of addition. I have taught you now the rules of addition, so we will apply that. So subtraction is the addition of the additive inverse of an integer. Okay, so now let me give the example of this additive inverse. Okay, now what I said that additive inverse is the opposite of integer. So here I am writing the integer. Okay, and here I will write the additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. Okay, so what is the integer? I will take any number. Okay, so I am taking plus 2. Okay, I have taken positive integer, that is plus 2, and what will be the additive inverse? What I said, the opposite of integer. So this is plus 2, what it will become? Minus 2. Opposite means the sign will change. Okay, the number will be same, the sign will change. It was plus 2, now it has become minus 2. Okay, if I am writing here minus 4, the additive inverse will be what? Plus 4. If I am writing here minus 9, additive inverse will be what? Plus 9. Okay, and if I am writing as 0, so the additive inverse of 0 will be what? 0. So I hope you have understood this additive inverse. So we are going to do here, subtraction is the addition. We will do addition of what? Additive inverse of the integer. Whatever the integer will be given, we will write the additive inverse first, then we will do the addition of that, whatever the question will be given. Okay, so what is subtraction? Subtraction is the addition of the additive inverse of an integer, and I hope you have understood the additive inverse. Okay, I hope you have understood additive inverse means the opposite of the integer. Whatever the integer will be given, that opposite. Now let me give you one example, then you will understand. Okay. Okay, now see here. For example, subtract minus 4 from plus 10. Okay, we have to subtract minus 4 from plus 10. So already you know that whenever the from will be given, I have taught you in class 4. When from will be given, we will write the number which is at back. First we will write that. Okay, then we will write this number. Okay, now how it is so? See here. First we will write plus 10, not this. From means we will write first this. Okay, plus 10. From means subtraction, so we will write the sign of subtraction. Then we will copy the same number with the sign. Okay, don't change the sign or don't forget to put the sign. If you will forget to put the sign of, or if you are doing any mistake in this sign, that means your answer will be wrong. Okay, integer means your sign should be correct. If your sign is wrong, your answer is wrong. So minus. Okay. Now what I said, additive inverse. We will find what? Additive inverse of an integer. So we will find the additive inverse of this integer, not of this. Okay, we will find the additive inverse of this integer. So at side we can write here that additive inverse of minus 4 is what? additive inverse of minus 4. Additive inverse means opposite. Okay, I have shown you just now. Opposite of minus 4 what? Plus 4. What it will be? Plus 4. So we have seen here. No? What is the additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Now let's see here how to do. You will copy the same number. Okay, plus 10. Subtraction is the addition. Minus will change into addition. And what is the additive inverse of minus 4? Is plus 4. What it is? Plus 4. Okay. Now, you remember about the rules. I have said you about the rules now that when two sign will be same. When the two sign of the integer will be same, what you have to do? We have to add and we have to put the same sign. So you can see this is plus 10, this is a plus 4. So both the integer has same sign of plus plus. So what you have to do? We have to add. So 10 plus 4 is how much? 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is how much? It is 14. And which sign we will put? We will put the plus sign because both the sign is same. So this is the answer. So in this way we are going to do the subtraction. Okay. We will find the additive inverse. Then we will use the addition of integers rule. Okay. And then we will do. So I hope you have understood. Now let's do the exercise. Okay. Exercise 4.2 question number 2 subtraction of integers. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2, what it is? Subtract the following integers. Now I have written 3 questions to show you how to subtract. Okay. So now let's do one by one and step by step. So here question number 2a is what? Plus 3 from plus 30. We have to subtract plus 3 from plus 30. Okay. So first let's write like this. Okay. So from means this will be first. No, from means the number which is at back we will write that first. So plus 13 we will write first, okay, with the sign. Okay, from means we will subtract, we will put the minus sign, and what will be there? Plus 3. Now the next step is what? Next step is what? To find the additive inverse of which integer? Of this integer. Okay, don't do mistake in finding this additive inverse. Okay, we will find the additive inverse of what? Plus 3. Okay, so let's write here additive inverse of plus 3 is what? It is minus 3. Okay, what it is? It is minus 3. Okay, now what you do? You copy the same question here. Okay, so that it will become easy for you to do. So plus 13 minus plus 3. Now I have not solved. Okay, first I am finding the additive inverse of this. Now what you will do? You will copy the same question here. Okay, so that you don't get confused. So I have copied the same question. Okay, now what I will do? Next step, plus 13, copy the same, minus we will write plus, and then we will write the additive inverse of plus 3. So what is the additive inverse of plus 3? Is minus 3. Okay, what it is? It is minus 3. Okay, now what we will do? We will see the sign. This one is plus, this one is minus. So plus minus. So both are of different sign. Both are of different sign. So I have said you that when two integers will have different sign, so what you have to do? We have to subtract. What you have to do? We have to subtract. So this one is plus 13, this one is minus 3. Okay, so what we will do? We will subtract. You can write here or you can do separately. Okay, that 13 minus 3 is how much? It is how much? It is 10. It is 10. And which sign we will put? Don't see here, okay, in the question one. The one you will see which we have changed. Okay, the additive inverse one we have changed. That one we will see. Okay, so now we will cover it. So which one is greater? 13 or 3? 13. So in front of 13, whatever sign will be there, we will put that sign. So what it is? Plus. So we will write here, this is plus 10. This is the answer. Okay. Understood? I hope you have understood. This is easy and simple. Okay, additive inverse you have to find and we have to do simple. Just now let's see this one. Okay, so it's plus 12 from plus 15. So first we will write this. From means minus and we will write this plus 12. Okay, now we will find the additive inverse. Additive inverse of plus 12. So what is the additive inverse of plus 12 is minus 12. Additive inverse means opposite. Okay, we are writing the opposite of the integer, this. Okay, now let's copy the same question. copy the same question, done. Okay, now only two step. First step was to find additive inverse, we have done. Second step is what? Copy the same number. First step was to find the additive inverse, and what do you have to do? You have to copy the same number, minus will change to plus, okay, and you write the additive inverse of plus 12. What it is? It is minus 2. Okay, now third, what you have to do? See, this one is plus 15, this one is minus 12. So plus minus, both are of different sign. So plus minus, what you have to do? I have already taught you this rule. So those who have not seen the video and learn the rules. Okay. Otherwise, if you will not learn the rules, how you will do the subtraction or addition? You cannot do. Okay. So plus minus is minus. Okay. So 15 minus 12 will be how much? You can write here that 15 minus 12 is how much? Okay. Just for your convenience, you can write here. Otherwise, you can do directly that 15 minus 12 is how much? Okay. So 15 minus 12 is how much? 3. Now which sign we will put? We will cover it. Don't do of this, okay? Of this you will do. So cover it. So which one is greater? 15. In front of 15, what is there? Plus, we will put the plus. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's see E. Okay. So from this we will write first minus plus 6 in the bracket. Now we find the additive inverse of plus 6. Okay. So additive inverse of plus 6 is minus 6. So what is the additive inverse of plus 6? Minus 6. So first we have done, okay, first we have done additive inverse. Then second, what you do? You have to copy the same question. Okay. Now what you have to do? Copy the same, minus 2. Minus will change to plus. Okay. And additive inverse of plus 6 is what? Minus 6. Now here you see, both the integers has same sign, minus minus. So I have said you, when the integers will have same sign, what you have to do? This one is minus minus. So what you have to do? You have to add, and which sign you will put? Minus. When they have same sign, you have to add, and which sign will be there? Minus sign. So add means what? 2 is there, 6. This is minus 2, this is minus 6. So minus 2 minus 6 is what? We have to add. Okay. So here you can just add 2 plus 6, and what it is? 2 plus 6 is what? 8. Okay. I am saying just for your convenience I am doing here, okay, so that you don't get confused. So minus 2 minus 6. Okay. So how much it is? It is what? 8. 2 plus 6 is 8, and which sign will put? We will put the minus. Okay. Which sign will put? We will put the minus sign. This calculation you can do in your mind also. That 2 plus 6 is what? 2 plus 6 is what? 8. Otherwise you can write side, or just for your convenience to make you understand I am writing here. Okay. That 2 plus 6 is 8, and which sign will put? We will put the minus sign, as both the sign is same. Okay. So now let's see the other questions. Okay. Okay. Now these are the two last questions I am doing from this question number 2, subtraction of integers. So see carefully. Okay. So first what you will do? You will write this first. Okay. Plus 20. Okay. Then minus, and what will be in bracket? Minus 12. Now next what you have to do? You have to find the additive inverse of minus 12. Okay. Additive inverse of minus 12 is what it is? Opposite of minus 12? Plus 12. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to copy the same question. Okay. Just to make you understand clearly, that is, I am writing step by step, okay, so that you will understand clearly. If you are not understanding, see the video again and again, you will understand. Okay. So what we have to do? You have to copy the same number, that is plus 20, minus, we will write plus, and then we will write the additive inverse of minus 12 is what? Plus 12. Okay. Now you can see here that both the sign is same, plus plus. Okay. So what we have to do? Plus plus, we have to add 20 plus 12. So 20 plus 12 is how much? It is 32. And which sign we will put? We will put the plus sign only, because both the sign is same only. So we will put the plus sign. So this is the answer. Okay. Now see the last question. How to do? Now again we will write this first. Plus 216 bracket from its minus plus 108. Okay. Now what we have to do? Additive inverse. Additive inverse of plus 108 is 108. Okay, the sign will change. Okay, so done this also. Additive inverse we have found. Always find the additive inverse of this. Okay. Now next step, copy the same question. Question is also copied. Okay, now what we have to do? You will do step by step. It will become very easy and clear for you. Okay. So now what you have to do? Copy the same. Plus 216. Minus will write plus. Okay. Plus 108. What we will write? Minus 108. That is the additive inverse. Done. Now you can see here that two integers has opposite sign. This one is plus 216. This one is minus 108. So plus minus two different sign means what you have to do? We have to subtract. So plus minus, what you do? Minus, and which sign will put? Which integer will have the greater absolute value? That integer sign we will put. Okay. So now let's subtract 216 minus 100. Okay. Now those who cannot do directly, you can write separately this way. Okay. And you can subtract. So from 6 we cannot subtract 8. So 6 will take borrowing from this one. 1 will become 0. 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is what? 8. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So how much we have got after subtracting this? 108. And this sign we will put. Let's cover it. Let's cover the sign of both the integers. Now see which is greater, 216 or 108. 216 is greater. Okay. So we'll put the sign of 216. And what it is? It is plus. So we will put here plus sign. So this is the answer. So I hope that you have understood the addition of integer, subtraction of integer, what is integer. I think you have understood now everything. Positive integer, negative integer. Okay. So for today after this much, so whatever I have done on blackboard, do this in your copy. Don't get confused that so long I have done. Okay. See, this one first I have done, this one I have copied only. This one is the additive inverse, that is opposite. Okay, and this what you have to do? Copy. See, this one is a copied question. I have copied here so that it become easy for you to do. I can show here directly. Okay, and what then you have to see which what you have to do, subtraction or addition, and whatever answer you get, put the sign. So then, so don't get confused. Okay, that it is so long and hard like that. It's not hard. Okay, everything is easy if you will try. Okay. If you will try again and again, you will understand. Okay, see the video again and again. If you will try again and again, you can do. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, it is very new to you. Again, I am saying, so do it slowly. And if you have any doubt, you have my number. You can clear your doubt. Okay, you can message me and you can clear your doubt. Okay, so for today up to this much. Whatever I have done on blackboard, do this in your copy. Okay, I'll give you a few questions as